Hello, welcome to the TRAIN2INVEST Incorporated's discussion of its 2023 stock trading performance. Disclaimer. Examples used here are suggestions and not recommendations. These suggestions are based on available information that is time-sensitive and for education purposes only. By continuing to watch this webcast, it is deemed that you have accepted the above. Background: Toronto Stock Exchange, TSX, Summary. The Toronto Stock Exchange is the largest stock market in Canada. The exchange is fully electronic with more than 1,700 companies listed. All transactions are conducted in Canadian dollars. TMX Group owns several subsidiaries that operate equities, derivatives, fixed income and energy market exchanges. These include the Toronto Stock Exchange, TSX, and TSX Venture Exchange, TSXV. Savings. You have your savings in registered accounts, for example, in RRSPs, TFSAs, RESPs, etc. These are usually managed by brokers who are either banks or independent brokers such as mutual funds. These investments are largely in Canada, but some may be in other countries. Investment in other countries will attract foreign exchange risk. The brokers charge you a fee for managing your portfolio. These fees are paid regardless of the portfolio's performance. Now, some of you would have your funds in GICs, which offer a fixed rate based on current Bank of Canada prime targets. Please do not forget accounting for the inflation rate when computing the cost. Therefore, the ROI will be revenues generated less cost, which is made up of the fees charged plus the rate of inflation. What is your return on investments? How much in fees did you pay the fund manager for managing your portfolio? What is the actual rate of inflation? Your total costs equals mutual fund fees plus inflation rate. What was the annual return that you were paid by the fund provider? Does the annual return beat the costs? If not, your portfolio will be destroyed. Example: BMO Equity Growth Portfolio Series N. As you can see from the slide, it has a fee, called MER or Management Expense Ratio, of 2.85%. If inflation, approximately 7%, is added, the total cost will be approximately 9.85%. This fund has 1-year return of a negative 13.84%. Therefore, the 1-year return on investment will be a negative 23.69%. This will destroy your portfolio. Fear-mongering. As you can see from the headlines, there are a number of articles that are spreading fear, which creates turmoil with investors. Fear is defeated by knowledge. What were the main challenges in 2023? Global inflation, excessive money supply by government spending, interest rate hikes by central banks to curb inflation, recession fear caused by high interest rate fears, climate change, legal rules requiring higher gallon mileage and EV subsidies, crude oil challenges, recession fears caused higher inventory, Russia-Ukraine war, food crisis, US border crisis, illegal immigration crisis, China, Taiwan, possible war, North Korea, expansion of military aid to Russia, Israel, Hamas war, Iran, North Korea, Russia, China, axis of evil, Trudeau, ticked off India, China, USA, Italy, etc. TSX performance, 2020 to 2023. Looking at the chart from left to right, you will see that on February 17, 2020, the TSX was approximately 18,000 points. Then COVID hit. By March 23, 2020, the TSX dropped to almost 11,200 points, a decline of 6,800 points. However, within 1 year, that is, by January 4, 2021, the TSX reached 18,000 points, pre-COVID levels. It hit a record on April 4, 2022, at 22,200 points. Since May 2022 to the current period, that is, November 2023, it has a range of 2,500 points, trading between 18,500 points and 21,000 points. Please note that between May 23, 2020, point A on chart, and April 4, 2022, point B on the chart, the TSX increased by 11,000 points. That is a 98% increase. Deception. 2023 talking heads, the world is ending. The chart above is the lie the talking heads tell you. These experts have been telling you for years the world's going to end. These are false assumptions. Sample performance January 5, 2023. gain of $5,250 based on 3 stocks. Sample performance for February 4, 2023. Based on the monthly newsletter, a gain of $10,500 was recorded. Sample performance for March 12, 2023. Based on the bank's sell-off and shift to gold, suggestions were provided on March 12. On March 14, a $11,375 gain was recorded. Sample performance for April 3, 2023. Profiting on takeover rumors. Tech Resources was suggested as a buy. On April 3, it was sold for $57.50, generating $4,000 in profits. Sample performance for March 20, 2023. A total gain on 4 stocks traded was $6,900. Sample performance for April 26, 2023. Breakout oversold email was issued on April 26. Same-day buy and sell was executed, generating $6,940 in gains. Sample performance for May 18, 2023. Platinum members made trades. Generated $14,425 in profits. Sample performance for June 1, 2023. Email was sent on June 1 suggesting oversold stocks. June 2 sell orders were executed for a gain of $22,125. Sample performance for July 19, 2023. A gain of $7,250 was recorded on suggested oversold stocks. Performance, July 22, 2023. Platinum Market Update stock suggestions was made on June 20. July 22 gains of $28,275 was recorded. Sample performance for August 4, 2023. June 30 stock suggestion email. Gain of $21,125 was recorded. Sample performance for September 15, 2023. A gain of $7,500 was recorded. Sample performance for October 18, 2023. Focus 5 names recorded $9,250 in gains. Sample performance for November 15, 2023. TFSA trading account increased by a gain of $31,115. Summary of TFSA account as seen on the chart records a gain of approximately $310,000 from January 2023 to November 2023. How much trading capital is required? The chart above shows that Junior started with $3,000 approximately 3 years ago. He now has $5,840. Investing with intelligence. The above charts show that the Royal Bank stock purchased in July 2020 for $94 per share was sold in April 2022 for $139 per share, generating a gain of $49 per share. Incorporating dividend income, we recorded a gain of $36,800. Testimonial. A client recorded 656% in 5 years. The chart shows his trading account. Testimonial. A stay-at-home mom was transformed into a savvy trader. As the copy of trading account records that she achieved a 94% return in 3 years. Thank you for listening to our 2023 performance update. If you have any questions, please email us at admin@train2invest.com or call us at 204-414-4106.